Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming permissions and positioning your phone. Open Zoom, join the meeting, and accept any microphone or screen record prompts. This lets audio and visuals flow. Once done, switch your device to Do Not Disturb and close apps with private info so nothing pops up. Then tap Share and choose Screen. This is the first actionable move. Make sure you grant the final system overlay permission if Android asks, because without it Zoom can't capture your screen. After initiating share, you'll pick what to broadcast and why, a single app for focus or your full screen for demonstrations. Tap Start Broadcast or Start Now. On iOS you'll see a countdown and on Android a persistent notification. Make sure your microphone toggle is on if you're speaking, since system audio capture differs by OS. Once streaming, switch to the content you prepared, play a video or demo an app. If you need steady framing, rotate to landscape and lock orientation before you begin. To finish, return to Zoom and tap Stop Share, or pull down your notification shade and end the broadcast. This cleanly stops capture. If viewers report no audio, make sure your mic permission is enabled and restart the app, because Mobile OS can revoke access. If the stream lags, close background apps and lower playback quality, mobile CPUs and networks struggle with heavy multitasking. One quick tip: if screen sharing won't start, toggle the screen record permission off and on.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.